안녕하세요 여러분, 제 이름은 딕셔노우이입니다. 지금은 요리 시간인데요. 정말로 재밌지 않나요?
Okay, Dicktionary.
Can you speak Korean too?
Yeah. 네, 안녕하세요. 전 배대우입니다. 저희는 지금 짜장면을 만들고 있는데요. 되게 재밌습니다.
很好很好
Okay. Hello, everybody. Today we're going to cook a Chinese dish. My friend Crunchymunch is on a vacation, so I invited a new friend called Dicktionary. But Dicktionary is well known as a smart boy, but I'm smarter than him. I can speak Korean, Chinese, English, and a lot of languages. Hey kids, 准备好了吗？ Dictionary.
大家好，认识您很高兴啊。百大秀你好。
Dictionary 师傅。
是好。大家好，今天我们要做中国菜啊。我们看一下这是什么呢
He's talking about that we are going to cook a Chinese dish today.
Yes, we're going to cook Chinese.
Yeah. Now I will show you the ingredients.
Ingredients. Come on, let's take a look. Carrots. In Chinese, 胡萝卜. Green onions. In Chinese, 葱. Onion. In Chinese, 洋葱.
Seafood dictionary. Okay.
好。
Now, and green onion and potato starch.
你有夹肉吗
What are you talking about?
Roll in English is chopped meats.
Okay.
Piece of cake.
Okay, now we are going to chop the vegetables.
我们要切水蔬菜
What are you talking about, dictionary?
I said we're going to chop the vegetables.
Yeah.
切碎蔬菜 小心 means be careful.
Okay. We're gonna use only a half of carrots and chop this in a cube. Now, the carrots are all chopped. So it's time. Now we have to chop the zucchinis.
Kids, do you know how to say zucchini is green color in Chinese?
No, 蓝色. 黄色?
Actually, it's not. It's 绿色
Oh, it's green.
And zucchini in Chinese is 西葫芦是绿色的 It means zucchini is green color.
Oh.
I should write it down in my dictionary.
He has a Chinese dictionary too. Okay.
What are you chopping right now?
Onions, and chop the onions into cubes.
Wow, the onions. Did you know that?
What?
The onions are spicy and sweet because they contain allicin, an ingredient that gives up a spice.
Now chop the green onions.
Sorry to disturb you, but I've been keep looking.
Yeah?
Where did you get such a hat like this? Looks very
Yeah.
good.
It's from grandspick.com.
Graphic.com, what's that? It looks very
Yeah.
good. Because I'm kind of a little bit tired of my blue hat.
Okay. So,
Can I buy one same one too?
okay. Just type www.grandspick.com.
Graphic.com? Okay, I'm gonna buy them right away.
When the Dicktionary comes, I think about 14 days. What? Dictionary? That was fast!
Yeah, I got it from a very fast delivery, about like 3 seconds.
Yeah.
I really love the graphic.com. It was really 很快. It was really quick.
Now,
很好
we have to heat the stove and pour the oil.
Pour the oils. Instead of vegetable oils?
Grapeseed oil.
Great.
Now, fry the vegetables. Whoa, Dictionary, could you hear that sound?
The sound is really good.
Yeah. Now, stir it for a second.
Frying vegetables in
Yeah.
Chinese. 炒蔬菜.
炒是 what? I cannot.
炒蔬菜.
炒蔬菜. A dictionary.
Uh-huh.
I'll challenge you a tongue twist battle.
Tongue twister, you mean?
Yeah.
What kind of tongue twister do you know?
Peter Piper picked a pepper and what? What was it?
Was it
No, you do Peter Piper and I'll do ice cream. You scream. I'll scream for ice cream. I'm the easy one. You're the hard one.
not a hard one. Oh, about what you were saying, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked.
Ice cream, you scream. Ice cream, you scream me. I'll scream for ice cream.
If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where is the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Ooh. He's so intelligent.
Yeah, try it one more time. I like that.
We will have to put the black.
No,
I mean
I
the
should
black.
write all the instructions you've told me.
The black peas. Now this is very gooey, like the vanilla extract.
Top ingredient.
Now put the sugar in it.
Fry the vegetable.
Now, when this is all mixed, put a little, put some water.
Ooh, cool.
Now wait until this is boiled, and just wait for
You gotta
about
wait
10
till the
minutes
water
or 15
boils.
minutes. Now, when you poke the vegetable like this, and when the vegetable is very soft, now turn off the stove.
Turn off the stove. You don't want to burn your hands, kids.
Oh yeah,
You know, it's always be better to cook with grown-ups.
yeah, and put 2 tablespoons of
What's that, potato starch?
2 tablespoons of potato starch, and mix it with the other side of the chopstick.
Ooh, it's like a science lab.
Yeah, when you pour it one time, there will be lumps, so pour this gently, and at the same time, stir it gently too,
Cool.
like this. After I pour the potato starch water, the sauce is very thicker. Yeah, now I need the noodles.
Oh, noodles. Sure.
Noodles.
Yeah, I'll
Noodles.
get the cereal. Oops, sorry.
Okay,
Sorry.
Thank you.
I
Now
feel more
pour
cautious.
the sauce on the noodles.
Oh, wow. Grant,
Yeah?
you really are a great cook.
Okay.
I'm really,
you.
really satisfied. Do you usually learn cooking from your mom?
Yeah? No, I don't.
Do you usually learn your cooks by yourself? Kinda?
Yeah, kinda.
Well, you
Yeah.
are a smart boy.
Now pour the sesame onto,
On to the top.
yeah.
I like the sound.
A little too much sesame.
Let me see.
Here.
Cool.
Now
You
turn
know,
off
there
the
is a saying, food is the ingredient that binds us together,
Yeah.
like
Now-
friendships.
We are done.
We are done.
Yeah. Me and Crunchy Munchy do a high five, but do you do high five?
Well, okay, how do you do high fives?
Like this?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. No. I should be patient.
Okay.
I cannot wait. Oh, 白嘉兄
Yeah.
you have to try it.
Okay.
It's good.
Awesome. Super good.
Super good. So why don't you try pull this dish and show it to kids?
Okay.
Look at that colors and that glittering, shining noodles. You
Yeah.
gotta try it for tonight.
Yeah. No. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I have to eat noodles and study hard and publish books.
Yeah. So, 再见, kids.
再见 again.
Okay. Bye.